Hello everyone, my name is Sumit. I am from Nanded. Today's my video topic is the software development life cycle in Java. Let's discuss about it. A software life cycle model is also termed as process model. It is a pictorial and diagrammatical representation of the software life cycle. A life cycle model represents all the methods required to make a software product transist through the life cycle stages. It also captures the structure with these methods are be undertaken. In other words, a life cycle model maps the various activities performed on the software product from the encryption and retrieval. Different life cycle model may be planned necessary development activities to phases different ways. Thus, no element which life cycle model is followed. The essential activity are contained in the all life cycle model through the action may be carried out the distinct order in a different life cycle model. During any life cycle stage, more than one activity may also be carried. Next, discuss about needs of a software development life cycle. The development must be determine a suitable life cycle model for a particular plan and observable to be it. Without using a extra life cycle model, the development of the software product will be in a systematic and disciplined manner. When a term is developing a software product, there must be a clear understanding among the term representation among about when the what to do. Otherwise, it would point to the chaos and project failure. This problem can be defined by using example. Uh, Suppose a software development issue divided into various parts, and the parts may be assigned into terms members. From the one of suppose one term representation is allowed, freedom to be developed the freedom to be develop the rules assessment to the term whether the way it possible that one representative might start writing the code for the part. Another might choose the papers, the test document. First, the some other engineer might be begins with the design phase of the rules assessment to him. This would be the one of preferred method for the project failure. Uh, a software life cycle model describes the entire and exit criteria for each phases. A phases can be begin only if its stages entity criteria have been a failure. So without software life cycle, a model the entry and the exit criteria for the stage cannot be recognized. Without software life cycle models, it becomes through for software project manager to monitor the program of the project. Next, discuss about SDLC software development life cycle. SDLC cycle represents the process of developing software. SDLC framework include the following some stages. The first stage is a planning and requirement analysis. In this stage, requirement analysis is the most important and necessary stage in SDLC. The scenario member of the term perform it with the input from the all stakeholder and the domain expert or the SME in the industry. Planning for the quality assurance, requirement and identification of the risk associated with the project. It is also done by the stage. Business analyst and the project organizer set up the meeting with the client, gather than the data a customer wants to be built end user. What is the objective of the product? Before creating a product, a core understanding or knowledge of the product is very necessary. Next stage is a defining requirement. Once the requirement analysis is done, the next stage is the certainly requirement and document the software requirement and get the term accepted from the project stakeholder. This is the accomplished through SRS software requirement specialization documentation with the contains all the product requirement to the constructed and developed during the project life cycle. The third stage of software development life cycle is the designing and software. The next phase is about to bring down the knowledge of the requirement analyst and the design of the software project. This phase is the product is of the last two. It likes input from the customer and the requirement gathering. So it's all about the my first topic of first topic is. Thank you so much.